Hello, fellow gardeners. Well, we're up here on the streets of Kingston, Oklahoma. We're here in front of the Kingston Pharmacy where I pick up all of my medicines, what few medicines I take, mostly vitamins. Anyway, what we're doing here, we're changing out the winter flowers to summer flowers now because it's hot. It's in June and it's really hot. So we'll made these combos up, and we put them up here this time of the year. In the fall, we'll take them back out when it freezes, put pansies in, and go through the winter with pretty pansies. And it just helped beautify Kingston for everybody down the main streets and along the highway. We're in a little city of probably maybe 3,000 population or something like that. So we want to show you how we build these, because I want to encourage you to either the Master Gardener Club in your city or the garden club or rose club that you have in your little city. And you know, we're not going to let people like Oklahoma City and Tulsa and New York City get in. That's too big. You can't ever do that. We're going to keep it down under a 10,000 population. Any little city that's a population of 10,000 or less can get on this. Build as many as 20 tubs on your main street or something, and show me what you've done. We'll talk about it, and we're going to put up a $1,000 first prize to the city that does the best job for a full year. That's through the winter and through the summer. So it's not too late to get started. You can build your summer tubs now, and you can call me and we'll talk about how you do it, but I'm going to show you right now. This is the way we do it in Kingston. We're going to take this tub, no holes in the bottom. We're going to drill one hole right up here close to the top, and we're going to put this bucket full of soil. This is a 4-gallon bucket off of a fruit tree or a shade tree, and we're going to fill it full of our potting mix, and we're going to go right over in the middle, set it right directly in the middle of that tub. Now we punch that hole right up here at the top of that. Right, that's where that hole is, right there. That's right up here close to the top of this bucket. I'm gonna confess to you, I don't even drill a hole in most of them. I just let it run plumb out over the top in the bottom of that bucket a little bit, and it's okay. So anyway, let me turn that off. So we put the tub, then we put a bucket full of potting mix in there, and now then Austin's going to bring our flower. We got it right in the middle. We're going to, now listen, let's show, we're going to cut a hole in the bottom of this tub almost as big as that bucket mouth is, and then we're going to set it down in there on top of that, and we're going to fill it full of potting mix, and we're going to put these flowers in here just like this. So we encourage you to get on board and beautify your little city, and let's have some fun with this. Okay, if you like this video, subscribe, punch the button, ring the bell, and guess what? We'll make you another video.